guys, I'm back. I am here at Disney's Old Key West Resort. Today is January 23rd, 2019. We decided to do just a one-night trip. We're going to go to Epcot tomorrow and check out Epcot's International Festival of the Arts. Really excited about that. It's just me and my daughter this time. But anyway, I wanted to show you our room. We are in Building 15 in the hospitality section. Hospitality house area. We are in room 1510. This is a studio accommodation, and yeah, let's go check it out. Okay, so here we are. Nice, big, spacious. You can see we got the patio there. 2 beds. Window goes out front. Nice letter from our concierge. I like the detail in the bedding. You can see there's some bubbles in there and some nice little whatever you call the thing at the bottom of the bed. It's really very spacious. Nice and big. Looks like we are part of a lock-off. You can see the door over here. Here's the TV. Nice clothes storage. And over this way we've got our little kitchenette with microwave, fridge, toaster, everything. Closet here. Really good sized closet. Lots of hangers. Mommy. Ironing board. Mommy. Kaylin, be quiet, please. Mommy, look at the ironing board. Yes, my daughter would like you to see the pictures of the seashells under the sea photos. We also have the pack and play vacuum cleaner if you need it. Safe in here. Full length mirror. Really, I feel like this bathroom is huge. Very big. Very nice. Nice little detail in the little window up there. Standard tub. Nothing fancy about it. But good size. Yeah, I would say that's a really big bathroom. Come back over here. You saw before the tables. And a pretty nice balcony. You can see there's a light out there so you can enjoy it in the evening. I'm sure this is a beautiful view. I'll try and get a shot of it in the morning before we head out. But a pretty good seating area. And yeah, that's it. So that's our room. I'll try and get a video outside when it's light out. And one last pan through the room. It's a good sized room. This is a really big studio. There you are. That's it. So it's raining, so I'm not going to go outside. But I did want to show you our view. Got a nice view of the water there. Good sized balcony. Looks like a golf course out that way. Yeah, real nice view. It's a shame we're not staying longer. And that's our room at Old Key West Resort. Have a great day, guys.